Okay, so we are back with the answers for questions 1 through 50. Number 1, which heart chamber receives oxygenated blood from the lungs? And the answer is B, left atrium. I think I put D, left ventricle, but that was the wrong answer. It is left atrium. And 2, the primary pacemaker of the heart is C, the SA node. Which vessel carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs? And the answer is C, pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. So deoxygenated is pulmonary artery, and then oxygenated is atrium, left atrium. It's gonna take me, I'm gonna have to keep saying that to wrap that up in my head. Number 4, a decrease in blood pressure would trigger release of which hormone? B, aldosterone. Aldosterone. A decrease in blood pressure would trigger release of which hormone? Aldosterone. 5, hematocrit measures the percentage of D, red blood cells. 6, gas exchange occurs due to differences in B, pressure gradients. I knew that one. 7, which structure prevents lung collapse? And it's a surfactant. And I thought that surfactant, um, when I thought about surfactant, I thought that it was basically only to provide moisture or, lubricant, but it's actually to prevent lung collapse as well. And then number 8, hyperventilation. That is not how you say that. Hyperventilation will initially cause blood pH to be increased. 9, which organ secretes digestive enzymes and insulin? And the answer is C, the pancreas. And number 10, the majority of nutrient absorption occurs in the B, jejunum. 11, peristalsis refers to C, wave-like muscle contractions. 12, which vitamin requires bile for absorption? C, vitamin D. Vitamin D needs bile for absorption. 13, which structure filters blood in the kidney? And it's D, the glomerulus. Glomerulus. 14, antidiuretic hormone primarily affects the B, nephrons. And I remembered that because doctors always say, like, once the nephrons are damaged, then there is no reversing, which I don't know. That's another story. 15, urine concentration occurs mainly in the B, loop of Henle. 16, which part of the neuron receives incoming signals? I thought it was the synapse, but I was wrong. It is the dendrite. 17, the sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for C, emergency response. The sympathetic nervous system is fight or flight. So it's not going to aid in things like digestion or rest or sleep. It's not going to aid in those type of things. If you could please stop, I would gladly appreciate that, because right now I'm in the middle of something, and whatever you need right now, it's going to have to wait. You're going to have to wait. Only a few more minutes, okay? Okay. And 18, which electrolyte is critical for nerve impulse transmission? And the answer is C, sodium. I did remember that one. Number 19, smooth muscle is found in the C, blood vessels. I put heart. I thought it was the heart, but I guess there's no smooth muscle found in the heart. I don't know. I'm going to have to look that up because I honestly thought it was the heart, but it says blood vessels. 20, which protein allows muscles to relax after contraction? And the answer is D, tropomyosin. Tropomyosin equals relaxation. 21, bone marrow produces B, red blood cells. I did know that one. 22, which hormone increases blood calcium levels? And the answer is B, parathyroid hormone. So parathyroid hormone increases blood calcium levels. 23, estrogen primarily affects C, the female reproductive system. 24, testosterone is produced primarily by the C, testes. I don't know why I wasn't thinking and I put pituitary and that is absolutely not right, and I don't know why I put that, but it's the testes. 25, which cell type initiates immune response? I thought it was neutrophils, but it's not neutrophils. It's actually macrophages that initiates immune response. I know that neutrophil is a part of the immune response system, but the initial immune response is correlated to the macrophages. 26, antibodies are produced by B cells. B cells. AB. Antibodies, B cells. Antibodies, B cells. AB. 27, fever helps the body by B, increasing metabolic rate. I did know that one. 28, homeostasis is best described as B, internal balance. I did know that one. 29, the liver stores which nutrient? C, glucose as glycogen. I knew that one as well. 30, which organ is most responsible for detoxification? I put kidneys because I really thought it was kidneys, but the actual answer is B, the liver. So the liver is responsible for most of the detoxification. 31, edema is caused by fluid retention. I did know that one. 32, anemia results from low levels of C, hemoglobin. Can you please turn that off? Turn that off. Thank you. You're going to have to wait because I am in the middle of something. 33, which nervous system regulates long-term body processes? And the answer is B, endocrine. 34, insulin lowers blood glucose by B, promoting glucose uptake. I don't know why I thought it was B, breaking down glycogen. I don't know why I thought it was that. But the correct answer is promoting glucose uptake. And 35, the hypothalamus links the B, nervous system and endocrine system. I did know that one. 36, which organ filters lymph? And the answer is A, the spleen. And when I was answering this question, in my head I said spleen, but I chose the liver. I don't know why. But the answer is spleen. 37, platelets function in C, blood clotting. I did know that one. 38, which factor increases blood pressure? C, increased blood volume. I did not take my time on that one because I picked something else. 39, the primary function of surfactant is to be reduce surface tension. That is what I was talking about earlier. When I think about surfactant, I always think about the lubrication That's what I think about when I think about surfactant. So I didn't know that it had another thing that it did as well. 40. Which structure protects the spinal cord? C. Vertebrae. 41. A patient with kidney failure may experience B. Electrolyte imbalance. 42. Tachycardia refers to C. Fast heart rate. Tachy equals fast, Brady equals slow. Cardia is heart. I knew that one. 43. Which hormone triggers ovulation? And the answer for that one is B. LH. I put estrogen because I really wasn't sure, but it's LH. 44. Which blood type is the universal donor? And the answer is B. O negative. And I wonder if O positive is the universal receiver. 45. The large intestine primarily absorbs B. Water. 46. Which condition results from insulin deficiency? The answer is B. Diabetes mellitus. 47. Which organ regulates body temperature? I knew that one. It was C. Hypothalamus. 48. Which system assists the cardiovascular system in immunity? B. Lymphatic. I knew that one as well.
I know everything.
You don't. None of us do. 49.
Is there 100 more?
pH imbalance most directly affects A. Enzymes. 50. ATP is produced mainly in the mitochondria. I don't know how I forgot that one. I think mitochondria is the powerhouse.
Mommy, that's the last one.
Yeah, I think mitochondria is a powerhouse, I want to say. Is it? I think it is. So yeah, that's 1 through 50. The answers to 1 through 50.